Use Caimera's Sketch to Image tool to bring your product ideas to life without actually making samples. You can now design and iterate faster than ever. You can communicate ideas to clients with more polish than a raw sketch. Navigate to the Sketch to Image tool on the home page. Upload your product sketch. In the prompt section, mention only the material and color, for example, red silk. Then click Shoot. You can also create material or color variations by editing the prompt. For example, you could change the description to pink velvet and click Shoot again. Once the image is ready, click on the Compare button to see the sketch and the generated image side by side. For added precision and control, you can also upload an image of a fabric swatch. Simply upload the sketch image and the close-up of the fabric. Adding the material description is optional. Then click Shoot to generate a new image. If you wish to make changes to your generated image, use Edit this image to prompt those changes. For example, you can change the background to white. You can also modify the view, background, or remove unwanted elements using the Edit this image feature. Use the Image to Sketch feature to reverse engineer inspiration from real-world products. Switch to the Image to Sketch mode using the toggle button. Upload a product image and click Shoot. Your sketch will be generated in seconds. Click on the Compare button to view the sketch and the original image side by side. Generate sketches of products effortlessly and download your output by clicking on the down arrow button. These tools help you move from concept to clarity in seconds, saving millions in the planet's resources. No physical samples, no renderings, just pure creative flow.